role of transportation accessibility in regional development. I mean, this is the fundamental to importance of transportation in development, because transportation means linking resource-rich regions with production centers and consumption centers. Transportation means interspatial connectivity. Transportation are flow systems. Transportations are functional linkages. Transportations is the basis of the hinterland interconnectivity. Transportation is the basis of migrations, labor movement. Transportation junctions become growth centers. The accessibility word hai, it's about last mile connectivity. It's about managing physiographical challenges. It's about managing distances and the spatial differences. So यही आप geographical terms use करते हैं. Regional development का एक बहुत important concept है, the concept of horizontal unity. It's about linkages. The whole idea of diffusion of innovation is about transportation accessibility. So I think this was a very good question which you could have written provided you had studied something on transport.